All right. So we're going to try some ice cream. Elise got at the, what was it, H Mart? Yes. At H Mart these two things of cheese flavored ice cream. The kind of thing I suppose that Muffy Mouse would just love. But in any case, so she got these, and one of them is, this is Queso Queso ice cream, and it's from, what, Magnolia. And it's what? This is Queso Queso. Cheese. This is just cheese-flavored ice cream. So there you go. And then the other one is Mais Queso corn and cheese ice cream. So, you know, we'll see how this is. And I've been instructed to taste them. So I've got a ramekin and another ramekin, and we're going to put a little bit in each, and then we're going to try them. So, all right, we're going to start out with the Queso Queso. And open this bad boy up. And that's what it looks like on the inside. It looks a little more orange in real life than it does on there. And Elise already tried it, and I'll link to her video. Anyway, what I'm told is try the part that is freezer burned first. So here's a little bit of that in the ramekin. And put the lid back on. So let's try, this is the freezer burned part of it, because, you know, for sake of completeness. Anyway, alright. I'm not entirely sure what I think of that. You know, it's like there is bits of cheese in there, which is kind of interesting. The flavor kind of tastes like butter, but you know, anyway, but that's the freezer burn part. That's the stuff on top. Now let's try it like we try the real deal. Go inside a little bit here, and just get a little dollop of it like that. Just drop it in, and try that. All right. Put that back there, and that was the just cheese. Anyway, here we go. So, alright, this is from the inside of the carton. You know, the cheese bits, they taste just like cheese. Well, yeah, I mean, you're not wrong, right? Alright. Anyway, let's try this. It's alright, I suppose, but and then here's the last of it. It's okay, I wouldn't pay $10 for it, but you know, try everything once, right? Anyway, now let's try the corn and cheese. See if we can do any better. Alright, open this bad boy up. Alright. Now this is a little more, a little more, oh, you know what, hold on, we just dropped a little bit of it. We'll just put that up there. Actually, no, let's put it in there. Anyway, but that's what it looks like. It actually looks pretty yellow, but this camera is not so good with color. Like this onesie's a lot brighter than it looks on the thing. But anyway, so yeah, let's do the same procedure before. Try the stuff on top that's a little freezer burn. We'll just do like, whoops. We'll just do like that. Put a little bit of a dollop of that in there. All right. Set this aside, and let's try it. All right. This is like a sweeter flavor than the other one. Anyway, now let's try from the interior of this. All right, first of all, get that freezer burn piece out of there. All right. Anyway, I'm just going pretty much right behind the same area that Elise went into before. Alright. Do that. Get a dollop of it. Alright. Put that in there. Let's put the lid back on. And let's take it for a spin. Alright. First of all, oh, it does have little bits of corn in there. I don't know if you can see that. But there is a bit of corn. Yeah, there's definitely corn. And there are no cheese bits in there, but there are corn bits in here. What? Oh, Elise is agreeing with me. No, not agreeing? What?
Cheese.
Oh, that is cheese? Okay. No, that is definitely corn.
There's both.
Oh, there's both? Okay. I'm dissecting. I don't... Maybe I got... Oh, no, there's a piece of cheese. Yeah. A little bitty one. All right. There's a piece of cheese in there. But yeah, again, there is really corn, see? There it is. Anyway. Yeah, and it tastes just like corn. So, you know. Oh yeah, it tastes like corn out of a can. Not creamed corn, but canned corn. You know? Because, you know, corn out of a can tastes different from frozen corn. But this is frozen corn from a can, if that makes sense. So, anyway. Try that. Have another little spoonful. Reminds me of like that butter rum flavor of ice cream, if that makes sense. Alright. Yeah, it tastes like a butter rum flavor almost, but not quite. So all in all, not bad. Meanwhile, let's just take a look here, see what we got. That's the ingredients. That's not what I'm looking for. What's milk, cream, sugar, sucrose, and corn syrup, cheese, and what else? Ooh, powdered cellulose. And then there's whey powder, skim milk powder, stabilizers, And, okay. Anyway, where's the... Ah, here we go. Nutrition facts. Oh, by the way, folks, this is how you know you're mature. If I put it like this, I can't see it. I gotta go out here now. You know, I'm mature. Anyway, because I turned 39 for the second time in a couple months. So anyway, so this thing has 200 calories, 11 grams of fat, 6 of which are saturated, and it's got 12 grams of sugar in it, but it's got 5 grams of protein. So, you know, there are worse things. But still, a lot of sugar and a lot of fat. Anyway, that's the cheese ice cream. And so, anyway, now let's look at this like a mature person. All right, we have what do we say over there? 200 calories per serving on the cheese. The corn and cheese is 230 calories per serving. Has 14 grams of fat, 9 of which are saturated. And it has, let's see here, 15 grams of sugar versus 12 on the other one. So basically, take everything from this one. Oh, and protein has 4 grams of protein. So everything from this one, add 3 to it to get what you got in this one, but then take away a gram of protein, and there you go. So, I don't know, you know. This is the better flavor, but this one is technically healthier. So, you know. In any case, I still wouldn't pay $10 a shot for it, but, you know, this is not my thing. I haven't had ice cream, you know, in a long time, but, you know, it works, I suppose. You know, if you like this, then great, but, you know, I wouldn't buy this again, but, you know. Okay. Anyway, I think I've said everything that I need to say about this, so anyway, everybody have fun, and I guess may the power protect you always. Good night.